Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you with a beautiful and amazing artistic video of interiors in front of you, which are home office ideas or master home office ideas. Viewers, so watch my video till end and enjoy the video till end. Welcome back to the Decor Life viewers. This is House of Fashion and Decor Life. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always like this with the prosperity, health and wealth. Viewers, as you can watching on your screen, the wonderful ideas of offices in front of you. The interiors of offices in this video are very unique and wonderful. The amazing styles, each and everything in this video is very unique ones, from tables to chairs to desk lamps and the backgrounds, the walls, the shelves, the floors. Each and everything is very modern, trendy, fashionable, and each and everything is decorated with the types of interiors. Viewers, the most important is the style of the uh, offices which you want or which you not. So watch the video, and if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Viewers, here I am going to remind you about the subscription of my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow my channel by clicking the bell icon also. And we need your support on daily basis, so share my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself. Viewers, Decor Life always tries to give you a very wonderful ideas about interiors and things. But if you have an idea to watch on my channel, then write in the comment section. Inshallah, Decor Life try to give you the video on that idea as soon as possible. Viewers, don't forget to visit my channel for more interior ideas. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Stay tuned with us. Decor Life will be right back with the new interesting ideas of interiors.